white line, because in 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to yet another qualification match here at the SunDome event. Match number 51 out of the 54 in total that we'll be playing. As we start winding down our quals matches, teams starting to think about their alliance selection hopes and dreams and who they'd like to be paired with. They're seeing some last scouting examples of what these machines are capable of after any modifications, good or bad, over the course of the weekend. Of course, this is a bit of a grueler of a match schedule. Teams playing about every third or fourth match. And so we're starting to see some of that wear and tear take its toll on some of the robots, but other robots growing new features over the course of our matches, wherever they can squeeze in time to maintain them. 41 points on the board so far for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance in the midst of one of their offense shifts, doing what they can to catch up, but they're going to end up 3 points shy. As that shift expires, we move back over to red. Here's Panther Robotics, putting up some big numbers here for the Red Alliance. They'll also get some help here from the Robo Sparks out of Wapato. Back and forth we go. The Dragons are also scooping up whatever fuel they can, although when they choose to launch that fuel tends to be a bit of a mystery I have not yet solved. They'll scoop up a bunch of it, and when they score is kind of up to when they get around to it. Blue Alliance side of the field, 60 points on the board so far. We got Aimbot out of Hillsboro, Oregon, lining up back towards the Alliance wall here. They also have one of those just-in-time launching mechanisms. Scoop them up off the floor and immediately launch them towards the goal. 80 points on the board for blue. Back over to red we go. Robo Sparks are ready. Panther Robotics is ready. Panther now going to drop off about 15 or 20 points worth of fuel into the red hub. 10 seconds left on this shift before endgame begins and everybody can score again. Blue Alliance has sent circuit breakers 45-13 over here to play some defense in red territory. They'll spin, they'll chase the Dragons on out of here en route back to the Blue Alliance zone. Circuit breakers definitely fast at driving right now. Unsure entirely what the strategy is. It looks like right now they're in a passing formation where they're pushing fuel through to their Alliance partners in the blue zone. 10 seconds left. Red Alliance leads by about 100, but the Blue Alliance has at least exceeded that 100 fuel threshold for the energized bonus RP, and the match gradually comes to a stop as the last fuel starts getting counted. Red Alliance wins this qualification match 208-122. 4 ranking points for each of our Red Alliance teams, 1 for each of the Blue and the Red Alliance, all now in our coveted top 8 positions, with Robo Sparks moving up 6th to 5th, and the Dragons moving up from 10th to 8th.